Hey, this is Sone with S1 Billet. Just wanted to show you guys a new product that we have here. This is the, I guess, the billet style filler neck for the fuselage. So let me show you how this thing works and all that. So we got here, this is actually for the fuselage itself. Okay, instead of using this stock, you know, this right here, that's gonna get removed. That's gonna replace that part here, and then this is the actual billet filler neck. It goes in here. There you go.
Bolts right in.
And then we got these other two. Then you got the bulkhead that's gonna go right here. But it needs to get drilled out, and then you got these 4 clamps. That's for this, and then of course the hole that's gonna go right onto here. Okay. So the way this thing works is like this. So this is the billet filler neck. So the reason we had to remake this is because if you look over here, it has to go straight into here. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna drill a hole here, and then the bulkhead. This bulkhead here, it's actually going to go right in between. It's going to go right in here, and then the holes is actually going to clamp these two together. Okay, it makes a real nice clean seal. And this is the clamp on one side, the clamp on the other side, and then when it comes out here, it's actually going to be kind of like this right here, right in this area, right? That's going to get clamped. There's 2 more clamps that goes here, and then the other one over here, but show you guys a little bit what I'm talking about. Here is the clamp. Just put this in because that's going to get clamped down like so. Okay, like so, and then of course the clamp. That clamp there, and then this other clamp that goes here. But you can see that's gonna go in here. Okay, let me just take this thing out. We gotta make the last piece, this piece here, but so you guys can see what. Okay, now it's clamped down here. Like so. Of course, that gets here, and then once that gets drilled, it's gonna be right here like this. So now when you fill it, you don't have to. There's no fume or nothing like that. You just fill it right through the filler neck, yeah. And then this is actually the return. It comes up here, and then we went straight to here, the return, and then this is going to be the vent that's going to go right back out this way. So, and that's it. That's how you...
Check it out, guys. We're doing a lot of stuff with the fuel also. Stay tuned on the website. Coming at you. S1 keeps innovating. So no more fumes in the car, and nothing. You just fill it up.
Just makes it easy, yeah.
From the inside, completely sealed, all the way to the tank. Yeah. No matter what you're running, all-wheel drive, front-wheel drive. Once you have a fuel cell, you can run this on your car.
Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and do it on this car and show you guys exactly how it's done.
Nice. All right, stay tuned, guys. More videos coming at you.
Okay, so you can see here, this is the cap for it. Now that's the filler. We still gotta, you know, bolt it down, but we haven't done that yet. So this is just kind of like a mock-up on this. See, we drilled a hole in here. That goes. That's the bulkhead that we were talking about earlier. That gets bolted onto here, from the other side. And then we got the clamp here. And of course, this piece here will go into this fuselage, and then now when you fill it from the filler neck all the way down.
All the way down.
Yeah, to here.
No fumes.
Exactly. And then this part here, we still haven't got done yet. So we need this piece done, and then it's going to be this bolt pattern. It's going to go in here. bolts down, and then of course that gets bolts down to that.
So as
And
soon as
that's
they buy a regular eBay thing,
Yep,
they can just buy
exactly.
our kit,
You buy our
unplug
kit,
that,
yeah,
and put this on, and that's it.
Yeah, and then this will be the feed. I mean the return line.
Return line.
That's the return. That's the vent.
That's a vent, and
And
then
then this one here is
External.
external pump. If you can see, that's the external pump. All the pumps are done. We just have to basically wire back
Wire it up.
Yeah.
all right, that's it, guys. Keep on innovating stuff for you guys up in the hunter community. Like, subscribe.